And I'm Simon. And
we're the owners of Claremont. We embarked on this project, renovating, and of course the conversation came up about whether to demolish or whether to renovate.
we knew that we wanted to renovate the top story, the first story of the house. We had nice views of the hills, and so we wanted to preserve that as our space.
When we met Callery Building, we felt that their aims aligned with ours. So we were keen from the outset to make the priority of the build about energy efficiency, and we felt that Luke was right there on the same page, and in fact was able to give us a lot of advice about how to improve that even further from the original plans that we had.
I really liked Callery Building's model of building in terms of the relationship they had with us. It was very collaborative. We would meet with Callery Building regularly, and they would discuss with us how the renovations were going and what was being done, and we'd get tours of the home. And so we were very happy with that process and how surprisingly easy it was.
I wouldn't say that we had any significant challenges because that collaborative process happened so frequently all the way through that communication. So if something came up, it was early and we were able to manage it. We both feel like we've had a family member we really do feel like we've had a family member do the build for us, and that's how much trust we felt that we've established, and we are so grateful for that. Neither of us have renovated. We've all heard horror stories of blowouts, bad builds, and so we were terrified that we were making the right choice with such a huge investment. And we are so thankful that Callery Building has given us such a beautiful home within the costings that we thought it would be.
And within the time frame.
Yeah. We have talked about how we could do it again, which has surprised no one more than ourselves. But we've realised it's so much about your relationship with that builder, and if you have that really positive relationship and that trust, it's actually quite a creative, amazing process to be able to renovate and build and put your stamp on it. It's been great.